I am HVAC Repair Guy. Over my 17 years as a technician, installer, and contractor, alongside my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, I have worked on just about every configuration out there. Today we are taking a close look at two top-tier heat pumps, the KeepRite Ion 23, model C5H3V, and the Trane 20 TruComfort. When you look at cabinet construction, both units are built for outdoor durability, but they approach coil protection differently. The KeepRite Ion 23 uses a tight wire grill design rather than full louvered panels, though it comes equipped with a heavy-duty compressor sound blanket right out of the box. The Trane 20 TruComfort features heavy-gauge louvered steel side panels along with its signature weather guard top to keep leaves and yard debris out of the fan assembly, plus its own integrated compressor blanket. Heating performance is where these systems show their capability. Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, measures how efficiently a heat pump delivers heat over an entire heating season. The higher the number, the less electricity you burn during winter. The KeepRite Ion 23 comes in with an HSPF rating of 10.5, while the Trane 20 TruComfort is listed at 10.5 in the spec data. Both systems deliver strong seasonal heating output and solid cooling efficiency, making them well-suited for winter operation before needing to rely on auxiliary heat. Both of these heat pumps sit at the top of their product lines. In terms of internal technology, each unit utilizes a fully variable speed compressor and a variable speed outdoor condenser fan motor. Instead of turning on and off at full blast like a single-speed unit or ramping between two fixed stages, these variable speed systems continuously ramp up and down in tiny increments to match the exact heating or cooling load of your home. That precision reduces electrical stress on startup, maintains steady room temperatures without drastic swings, keeps indoor humidity low in summer, and extends the overall life of the equipment. Noise levels on both systems are exceptionally low due to their inverter-driven compressors. The KeepRite Ion 23 runs as low as 55 decibels, which is equivalent to the background noise level of a quiet office or a dishwasher running in the next room. The Trane 20 TruComfort operates in a range of 55 to 75 decibels depending on compressor speed, where 55 decibels feels like a quiet library, and 75 decibels is comparable to a standard vacuum cleaner or normal conversation nearby when running at max output. Looking at manufacturing and corporate ownership, KeepRite is manufactured by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier, with this specific model built in Mexico. Trane equipment is manufactured by Trane Technologies in the USA. Real-world installed pricing for high-end variable speed heat pumps varies based on system tonnage, local labor rates, and ductwork modifications. For the KeepRite Ion 23, total turnkey replacement costs generally range between $9,000 and $14,000. For the Trane 20 TruComfort, current market quotes typically land between $11,600 and $15,000 or higher for complete installation with matching communicating indoor equipment. When it comes to warranty coverage, the KeepRite Ion 23 offers a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty, meaning if the compressor fails within 10 years, they replace the entire outdoor unit. The Trane 20 TruComfort provides a 10-year parts warranty and an extended 12-year compressor warranty, though it does not include a full unit replacement clause. For my money, the KeepRite Ion 23 takes the win. Both units give you top-tier variable speed comfort and identical 10.5 HSPF efficiency ratings. But KeepRite gives you a 10-year unit replacement warranty alongside lower upfront installed costs, giving you equal heating performance and superior overall value.